boy. Boy. YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Guapo Joe, and I'm back with another video. Oh, shit. Oh, I swear, dog. I'll run that guy over. Holy shit. Bro, I never understood that. There's literally a sidewalk. By the way, peep, we're back in beautiful Boca Raton, Florida. But there's a sidewalk right there, bro. Why do you have to take up half the lane when there's a sidewalk right there? But excuse my road rage. Hey, we're back with another video, man. Day in the life of Guapo Joe is up right now. So basically what today's looking like, you know what, I don't even want to tell you guys what it's looking like. It's gonna be a surprise, but basically it's around 8:30. No, it's 8 a.m. Monday morning in beautiful Boca Raton. Last full week in Boca. Oh man, love this place. It's my home. You know, I'm going back up to college soon. So last full week, meeting my friend at the beach right now. She hit me up to get a little workout in, and then later today I hit up my other friend to get a workout in tonight, little leg workout. But we're about to park, so let's get into it. Bro, I need to teach this girl some taste in music. Can you guys hear this music? So this is my friend Jose, or Josephine, and I went to high school with her. We're gonna get a little cardio in, a little faster cardio. And like I said, I need to teach this girl some taste in music, man. Let's get this workout going.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
But now basically, I'm gonna get on her back. Ate at Panera, got a little Panera gift card for Christmas. Just ate some breakfast, and dude, I had a lethal amount of caffeine this morning. Like, I'm not even a caffeine drinker. I don't even drink caffeine that much. But I got like 3 hours of sleep, I think, last night. But when I was in Panera, they have I got a fountain drink, and they have that thing where you could just keep refilling up with coffee. I had like 7 cups of coffee. I just couldn't stop drinking it. I don't know if you guys know that song Boca Raton by A$AP Ferg, but yeah, that's where I was born and raised. It's Boca Raton for you. Born and raised. Let's go. Beautiful place, man. Beautiful, lit place. Great. Hey, if you're in college, spring break, great place to come. Kids around here always down to get lit. Great place. A lot of old people, not gonna lie. I bet your grandmother has a apartment in Boca Raton. In case you guys remember, so it's around 8 p.m. No, it's around 7 p.m. We just got to the field, and I'm back with my boy Chris. You guys probably remember him from the Day in the Life of a College Student Athlete video. And I never really fully introduced you guys to him. I've known this kid for like over 10 years now. Right when he came from Cuba to America is when I met him. And I don't know, my mom became good friends. And we've been playing, I'm gonna put a photo up right now of when we were like 8 years old. when we used to play baseball together, and we were on the same team. So yeah, we've just been hitting since, and we hit almost every day. So unfortunately, I see this kid almost every day. But
Fortunately? What do you mean?
so first round, I just worked my hands, just get warmed up. All right, so I just got to TBT training, and I'm here with my boy Zach Dodson.
What's up, Zach? Play at Palm Beach State. Gonna
Yes,
get
sir.
a fire lift in. Big
Yes,
boy
sir.
lifts tonight.
Yes, sir. So basically today, I'm just doing what he's doing. We're gonna record the workout. We're hitting legs and back and buys today. Let's get it. Currently getting some gas. Great workout with my boy.
$1,000 on Thursday. That's a new record high for the cryptocurrency. The digital coin took about 36% since
As you can
the start
tell,
of 2021.
I have an insane pump right now.